Millions of people are bracing for impact as the threat of a major storm looms over the Gulf Coast. From the serene Louisiana bayous to the bustling streets of Miami, the entire region is on edge. The Gulf Coast is on high alert, with emergency services ramping up their preparations and news reporters stationed at key locations. Invest 97L, a swirling mass of thunderstorms, is churning in the warm waters of the Atlantic, gaining strength with each passing hour. This system has the potential to become Tropical Storm Helene, or even escalate into a hurricane in the coming days, posing a significant threat to coastal areas. Residents are urged to prepare now, taking all necessary precautions to safeguard their homes and families. Coastal communities are no stranger to tropical systems, but the uncertainty surrounding Invest 97L adds to the tension. Will it strengthen rapidly, catching everyone off guard? Where will it make landfall? This is the critical question that meteorologists are working tirelessly to answer, using the latest technology and data. These are questions that keep meteorologists and residents on edge as they monitor every update and prepare for the worst-case scenario. One thing is certain: preparation is key. Communities are coming together, sharing tips and resources, and ensuring that everyone is as ready as possible for whatever may come. Invest 97L is currently located, insert current location as of 2024-09-23. It is packing sustained winds of insert current wind speed and is moving insert current direction at insert current speed. While these numbers may seem unimpressive now, the warm waters of the Gulf of Mexico could provide the fuel needed for rapid intensification.
The National Hurricane Center is closely monitoring Invest 97L. They are using sophisticated computer models and real-time data from hurricane hunters to track the storm's every move. Forecasts suggest a wide range of possibilities, from a weak tropical storm to a powerful hurricane.
Predicting the path of a hurricane is a complex science. It involves a multitude of variables, from atmospheric pressure to ocean temperatures, all interacting in unpredictable ways. Even with advanced technology, there is always a degree of uncertainty. Supercomputers and sophisticated models can only do so much when faced with the chaotic nature of weather systems. The cone of uncertainty issued by the NHC highlights this challenge. It is a visual representation of the potential paths a hurricane might take based on current data and predictive models. It shows the possible tracks the storm could take, with each point on the cone representing a potential landfall location. The wider the cone, the greater the uncertainty, indicating a broader range of possible outcomes. As of now, the cone of uncertainty stretches from insert westernmost point of the cone to insert easternmost point of the cone. This wide range underscores the difficulty in pinpointing the exact path of the storm. This means that residents along this entire stretch of coastline need to be prepared. Preparation involves securing homes, gathering essential supplies, and staying informed through reliable sources. Even if the storm makes landfall outside of your immediate area, you could still experience heavy rain, strong winds, and coastal flooding. The impacts of a hurricane can be far-reaching, affecting areas well beyond the immediate landfall zone. Veteran hurricane specialist Bryan Norcross, known for his calm demeanor and expert analysis, spoke with the Weather Channel about the potential threat posed by Invest 97L. Norcross has been a trusted voice in the field of meteorology for decades, providing critical information during some of the most devastating storms in history. His insights are invaluable, especially when it comes to understanding the complexities of tropical systems.
This is a situation that bears close watching, he said. The system is still in its early stages, but the conditions are favorable for development. Meteorologists are closely monitoring the data as it evolves, looking for signs that could indicate a strengthening storm. While there is still a lot of uncertainty, the potential for this system to impact the Gulf Coast is real. Norcross explained that even if the storm doesn't reach hurricane strength, it could still bring significant rainfall, strong winds, and storm surge to the affected areas.
Norcross stressed the importance of preparedness, urging residents not to focus solely on the center of the cone. He pointed out that the impacts of a storm can be felt far from the center, and it's crucial for everyone in the potential path to take precautions.
Remember, he said, hurricanes are not points on a map. They are dynamic systems that can change rapidly, and their effects can be widespread. They are large, powerful storms that can impact a wide area. Norcross emphasized that understanding the full scope of a hurricane's potential impact is key to staying safe. He emphasized the need to have a plan in place, including knowing your evacuation route and having a disaster supply kit ready. Preparation can make all the difference in ensuring the safety of you and your loved ones during a storm.
Now is the time to prepare, not panic. Every household in the potential path of Invest 97L should have a hurricane plan in place.
This plan should include evacuation routes, a communication plan with family members, and a designated safe room in case of severe weather.
Stock up on essential supplies like water, non-perishable food, batteries, flashlights, and a first aid kit. Secure loose objects around your property that could become projectiles in high winds.
If you have time, consider trimming trees and branches that could fall on your home.
If a hurricane warning is issued for your area, it means that hurricane conditions are expected within 36 hours. This is the time to finalize preparations and, if necessary, evacuate to a safe location.
Heed the advice of local officials and remember that your safety is paramount. During the storm, stay indoors and away from windows.
If you experience a power outage, use flashlights or battery-powered lanterns for light. Avoid using candles as they pose a fire hazard.
After the storm passes, be careful of downed power lines, debris, and standing water.
The situation with Invest 97L is fluid and constantly evolving. The best way to stay safe is to stay informed. Monitor weather reports from the National Hurricane Center, your local news, and the Weather Channel. Pay attention to watches and warnings issued by local officials. A hurricane watch means that hurricane conditions are possible within 48 hours, while a warning means they are expected within 36 hours. Be prepared to act quickly if necessary. The Gulf Coast is facing a potential threat from Invest 97L. This is a time for vigilance, preparation, and community spirit.
By staying informed, following safety guidelines, and looking out for one another, we can weather this storm together. Remember, it only takes one storm to change everything.
Don't wait until it's too late. Prepare now and stay safe.